teenagers caught attempting. Van theft and tagging while at 3 a.m. caught red-handed around 2:30 to 3 a.m. Two individuals, possibly teens or young adults, tried to steal a van and tagged a cat face on a neighbor's wall. After being confronted, they fled, only to circle back in a navy or dark blue Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, late 90s or early 2000s model with a broken right taillight, chrome rims, and a loud exhaust. Watch this dramatic encounter unfold, showcasing the boldness of late-night crimes.
Get over! Back down! Come here, motherfucker! Keep moving, boy! Here he comes. He's right there, in the truck. What's up, dog? What you looking for? What you looking for? Hey! Fucker, get over!